So guys, today I went to the market and I saw these fresh corns. I know it's not even corn season now, and something just clicked in my head and I remembered grandma's archive. So I'm bringing out something from grandma's archive today. Our special delicacy for today is Ukpo Oka. Ukpo Oka in Igbo language means corn, moi moi. It took me back then when we normally go to the village for holidays. Hello guys, it's your girl Benny of Food Benny's Kitchen. You're welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare this special corn moi moi, corn pudding, or as Igbo will call it, corn Ukpo Oka, that you'll be licking your fingers. On the table, I have what it takes for me to prepare this grandma's special delicacy. I have my fresh corns here. I have my dried prawns. This is my blended crayfish, pepper, and onions. If you don't know what onions looks like, this is what onions is like. This is what the crayfish looks like. And this is what the pepper looks like. Then I have our red palm oil, salt, and bouillon cubes. You can see just a few ingredients for this our special delicacy. And I'm going to use the moi moi leaves for the wrap. But before we start, I've already peeled this corn from the back and I'm going to take out the flesh of this corn from the cobs. I've already done some here, but I just want those who don't know what the corn looks like to know what the corn is like. That is why I left these two for sampling. So I'll take the flesh now from the cobs like this. So guys, after taking out the flesh from the cob, you put it in your mortar and pound for some time. That was what my grandmom used to do back then in the days. But now you have blender, you have food processor, you can use that. But I just want to do it the local way all the way. So I'll pound. But the pounding shouldn't be too smooth. Let it have some rough edges. That is where the sweetness is. So I'm done pounding it. I'll now take it, because my mortar is a small one, I would have mixed everything here. So I'll now take it into the bowl so that it will be enough for me to mix everything very well. As kids back then, we always look forward to eating this special delicacy when grandmom is preparing it. If you see how excited I was when I saw this corn in the market, you think that it's a small girl that just won a lucky dip. So this is it here now. It's not really much because the corn I saw wasn't much. I just bought the little I could get so I can show you how to prepare this. So I'll add my dry prawn, but you can omit it if you don't have. Then this is the blended crayfish, pepper, and onions. Then I have my bouillon cube. I'll use one because it's not too much. If you can, try this, you will enjoy it. Then I'll add my red palm oil. People who know about this delicacy can relate with me in this. So yummy. You add the oil and combine very well. You have to combine very well so everything will marry themselves inside this bowl. You can see how it is now. You can see I'm already salivating. So I'll add the salt. Let me test for salt. I'll just add a little more. I don't want it to be too salty. You wrap it like you wrap the moi moi. And if you don't have the moi moi leaves, you can put them inside your containers and cook. So this is what I have now. You see how it's looking? Don't add too much water so that it doesn't run over, you know. Just wrap it the way you wrap your moi moi with the leaves. So now I'll wrap. I've already washed the leaves very well, but I have to cut off the stalk here. So if you know how to wrap your moi moi leaves, just go ahead. I have my pot here with water because it's cooked like moi moi, like I said, and using steam to cook. I have my rack in here so it doesn't get burnt. So this is the moi moi leaves. You remove the stalk. You see this one has this stalk. You have to cut it off. Then you now break it at the middle so it will be able to fold when you're folding it. So you wrap the leaf like a cone. You wrap the leaves like a cone. Then take it to the back. Then pour, see inside, see the cone here. Then you pour the corn inside. Then you fold the top to the back. Then put it on a rack in the pot. So this is how you are going to wrap until you are done. If you want it very local, you don't need all your ginger, your garlic and all the rest. Just do it in the local grandma's way and you are good to go. So this is how you are going to wrap until you are done before you put on the fire to cook. To wrap this thing at once is not easy. You have to keep practicing it until you get it to become an expert. Just a simple and easy delicacy that doesn't take time to cook. So this is the last one. I'm done. I'll just turn on the heat and put the pot to cook for like 20 to 30 minutes, and we are good to go. So guys, this is how it looks in the pot. 30 minutes, we are good to go. Please, if you have not hit the like button, please do like, share and subscribe. So guys, this is after 30 minutes. I put it on the fire. Boy, if I tell you, the aroma in my kitchen is something else. You know, they are cooked now, so I'll turn off the heat and allow it to cook to cool for like 5 minutes, because if you don't allow it to cool, when you open the wrap, they will all scatter. So for it to coagulate, you have to keep it for some time. So I'll off the heat now and bring it out. Hello guys, so I'm back. I'm just behaving like a baby that has seen a new doll, because it's no longer I ate this our corn moi moi. So it's cool now, and I want to unveil it, because the unveiling is where the cocoa of this food is, you know. So I'll just unwrap. When we were kids, you want to unwrap because you want to lick the one that has stuck to the leaves. You know, you can see our corn moi moi. Oh boy, so delicious. You can join me, oh, wherever you are, you can join me. But first, have you clicked your like button? Please click your like button now. Subscribe, share, please. So delicious. So delicious. Whoa. It takes me back memory lane when we go to the village. Oh boy, I'm loving this. Please try yours and leave a comment at the section for me, so I know that you have tried yours. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.